Hey, welcome back to my channel. Jenna here. How is it going? So, it's been a year I haven't cut my hair, so let's do this. I separate my hair in 6 big sections and actually 5. Yeah, just gonna work through it. I already walked through the back because it's not that easy for me to show you how I cut the back, so I'm gonna show you how I cut the front side. At the back, the curls are popping. I already finished it. Oh, this took me about like 2.5 hours to cut it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you step by step what I'm gonna use, how I cut it, and it's so simple. And for my part, I'm like, why should I go to the hairdresser if I can cut it myself? So you need a comb, scissors, I need my tingle taser, and water. I prefer warm or hot water. So today, and also a hair clip. Today, when I decided to film, the sun was really playing crazy, and yeah, so I apologize for that if the lighting is not the best. But I'm gonna try my best to show you everything. You see the sun? Oh my goodness. Oh, it was driving me really crazy. But yeah, here we go. Just take a part of your hair. By the way, my hair is a little bit already wet, so I'm just gonna continue putting it back in water so that it's really soaking wet. And I take a part of my hair, I clip the rest away. I'm kind of going to detangle it because my hair, it's been a week that I haven't washed my hair, so I'm just gonna use this opportunity to detangle my hair, cut it, and then wash it later. So you take the part. I start first with my big white toothbrush or comb, and then walk with my tingle taser, and then at last with my little comb, so that I make sure that it's all detangled and no knots in it. So yeah, I cut my hair last year. No, not last year. Actually, in December 2016. So in over a year. No, wait, let me think back. That was absolutely wrong. No, I cut my hair last time December 17, so last year. So it's been almost a year now and I haven't cut my hair. And normally, if you don't use that much heat and everything, you don't really have to cut your hair that often. So I decided not to. And also, basically, my hair was a lot in protective hairstyle during the summer and the whole time. But for my part, I go for a healthy, strong hair than for length. So it's just hair, cut it off, let it go. And also, here in Dallas, it's still warm, but the cold weather is coming, and I want my hair to be prepared because my protective hairstyle, they will be lasting me longer now, not just like 2 weeks. So I want it to be lasting like between 4 and 6 weeks. So I just want my hair to relax during the winter time. I basically really don't know what to tell you about how I cut my hair. I can only repeat myself. Take a piece of hair out, detangle it. I say do it when it's wet. I think it's better. Or you blow dry it, but I don't blow dry my hair, and so yeah, I do it when it's wet. I think it's pretty easy this way for me because this is how I feel the knots. And also the way I notice that I need a haircut is because my ends started tangling a lot. And also when I went through my hair, like when I take like a couple single strands out and I just feel it from the roots to the top, I was feeling these knots on them. So I really wanted it to be cut. It may look like I'm cutting just like if, I don't know, a few centimeters off or inches, however you say that. But once again, I have a fussy hair. Don't let this shrinkage fool you. It's about like 8 centimeter hair that I'm cutting off. I'm not sure how many inches that is, if that's like 3.5 or 4 inches, I'm not sure. Like if you take the hair that I cut and straighten it out, you can see it. sun is playing crazy, getting dark. I swear to God, when I was doing my hair, like cutting my hair, it was pouring outside. It was, first of all, it was sunny, and now I was like, oh, perfect, I'm gonna cut my hair today and film it on the window, but boom, it started raining. Like, oh, for real? But I tried to make the best out of it. You see, at the end, after I brush the hair all the way down, I kind of decide where I want to cut it. I hold it tight with the comb together so it doesn't like slip away. So that's my method, and it really worked good for me to do that. And yeah, this process took me like 2.5 hours. Not just like for the entire hair from back and front. And I don't know if you can see before when I started, when I put the hair in 5 sections. Of course, my hair wasn't wet yet by that time. But after I cut the back, I felt like my curls were way defined. Even I didn't put any product on it, just felt way softer. And I'm pretty sure if I would have gone to the hairdresser, then maybe they would have probably cut maybe more off. But I think for now that's enough for me, because I don't flatten my hair, or how do you call it, flat iron my hair. I don't blow dry my hair. All I do is actually just switching between box braids, cornrows, and wearing poof when it's hot outside. So yeah, I really don't manipulate my hair a lot with heat. The only time when I use heat is actually when I wash it. I prefer washing it with really hot water. I was trying to do some length check for you, but that's kind of fail here. But anyway, back then, if you want to see how long my hair was a few months ago, I did my very first length check. If you're interested in that video, I will put the link below. You can check that out. That was I didn't blow dry my hair that time. I just straightened it with braids, and after that I comb it out. It looked like I blow dry. It was like crazy. I thought, wow, this is my chance. I had to do a length check, and maybe in a couple months or in 1-2 years I would do a length check again, and just to see, because I think it will help a lot if you just do a lot of pictures and video for this process, so that's how actually I noticed that my hair does grow. Because you see your hair every day, you feel like, oh, I don't see any growth. And also I recommend to everyone, do protective hairstyle. Protective hairstyle is everything. It's safe. It helps everyone retain length, because that's how you don't have your hand every time in your hair. And yeah, this is my haircut. Step by step, I walk through everything, and I hope you like it. Let me know, how do you cut your hair, in case if you don't go to the hairdresser or to the salon. How do you cut it? Did you cut your hair while it's straightened when you blow dry it? Do you let your brother, your sister, your mom, or whoever cut it, or you just go to the salon, or you never cut your hair? Sometimes people also wonder why their hair is not growing, and you just have to cut off those dead ends, because basically our hair grow, but if you have like extremely long dead ends and it is growing from the roots, but you're not seeing any length, it's because it's breaking up from the ends and it's growing out from the roots, and so you really basically don't see anything. So you're growing, it's breaking down, and yeah, this was my haircut. Look at that, all done 2.5 hours later. Thanks for watching. Look at that bush. Cut them all off. See you next time.